Hello everyone, welcome back to another great English class. Happy Monday everyone. Today we are going to review a little bit. Mrs. Luyanda already spoke to you about the simple past. I'm going to review a little bit before we get into the irregular verbs. I know some of you are already familiar with them, but it doesn't hurt to review this. Okay, so in this lesson you are going to review the simple past. Okay, we have a little conversation right here between these two people. He says, "Did you enjoy your vacation?" And she answered, "Yes, we did. We had a great time. We didn't want to come home." That's what she responded. As you can see in this conversation, there's a lot of times where the past tense is used. For example, the form did. Did you enjoy your vacation? Notice that enjoy here, this verb, it was not conjugated because you already have did. And that's something that we're going to cover today, okay? To realize and recognize the rule that when you use did or does or didn't and doesn't, you do not have to conjugate the verb. You leave it in its infinitive, original form. The person here said, yes, we did. An answer, yes. Yes, we did. When you are asked, when somebody formulates a question using did or do or does or doesn't, you might want to answer with the same form of did. Yes, we did. Or no, we didn't. Okay? We had a great time. Notice here this verb is conjugated. The verb is to have, and the past tense is had. We had a great time. We didn't want to come home. Again, in this sentence, the rule is applied. Again, we didn't want. Notice that this person used didn't because the did is included in the sentence. This verb right here will be in its original infinitive form, want. We didn't want. So let's get going. Let's review this and see if you can remember, okay? Stay with me. So this is a little conversation. Let's read it together. Hi, Jen. Did you enjoy your vacation? Yes, we did. We had an amazing time. What did you do? We went to the beach every day. The children played in the water and I read my book. I didn't think about work at all. It sounds like it was a good vacation. Notice there's a lot of past tenses right here. The simple past is in there a lot. When you hear did, went is from the verb to go, is the past tense of to go. We went. Played, past tense of to play. Notice this is a regular verb because all you do is you add an ed to it. Read, didn't, and was. Was is from the verb to be. So let's pick up here. This one was already answered. Okay, so let's Jin went on a vacation, right? Was it Jin or Lynn? It was Jin. Yes, Jin went on a vacation. The children play in the water. Was it Jin or the children? The children. The children played. Children played in the water, right? Past tense, played. Jin thought or Jin didn't think about work. Thought is the past tense of to think, the verb to think, right? And the past tense is thought. But when you use did, you don't conjugate it. You say Jin didn't think. And that's something that we want to talk about today, okay? Here, this is the simple past. And this is something that we want to go over, okay, together. Use the simple past to talk about the past. Positive forms will be, we enjoyed the vacation. I swam in the pool. Notice that the simple past, all you do, you grab the verb and you conjugate it, you change it, okay? If it is a regular verb, most regular verbs, all you have to do with them is add ed at the end. Some irregular verbs, you have to change the form of the verb, okay? I swam, like is the case here. Negative. The negative, when you use did or didn't, well, obviously when negative is didn't, you don't have to conjugate the second verb. He didn't enjoy, so you don't put ed here. You don't, because it will be incorrect. They didn't swim. Notice that didn't is there, so the verb swim stays in its original form. Yes, no questions, short answers. When somebody asks you a question with did, you most likely will going to say use did in the answer as well. For example, did you enjoy the vacation? Yes, I did. Or you can always say, no, I didn't. Well, I hope you all enjoy your vacation, right, this summer, because it seems like we are going to have a vacation. So right here I have a little form that we can use to review that together, okay? So the past tense of did, when we use did or didn't, correct? So enjoy is the form in the present tense to enjoy. Past tense, all you do, you add ed to it, right? You add ed, enjoyed. Notice that? Swim is an irregular verb. It changes. You don't say swimmed. You say swam will be the past tense. So what would be, let's do a sentence using the positive, okay? Similar to the one that was here. Mrs. Luyando, in the past tense, enjoyed her vacation. Okay, that will be a positive form, right? Mrs. Luyando enjoyed her vacation. Notice that if you say Mrs. Luyando enjoy her vacation, it will be incorrect. In the present tense will be enjoys now, right? Enjoys her vacation. But in the past tense, that she already went on her vacation, I know she hasn't yet, but she will, enjoyed, ed. You just add ed to it, and you change that to the past tense. The negative, okay, we're going to do that in the negative form. We will put it, Mrs. Luyando didn't enjoy her vacation, period. Notice that we use the verb, we use didn't, correct? If we use didn't here, that means that you don't have to do anything to this verb. You don't do this, because that will be incorrect. That's not good, right? So this is incorrect. So the second verb, it stays in its original form in the infinitive, and you don't do anything to it, okay? Mrs. Luyando didn't enjoy her vacation. And positive would be Mrs. Luyando enjoyed her vacation, like it's right here, right? Do you see that? And because she didn't, if she's negative, she did not enjoy it, she didn't enjoy, okay? Now, what would be a question? If we put it in the question, will be said, did Mrs. Luyando enjoy her vacation? That would be a question, right? Now, because we use did, then if you use did right here, you don't conjugate the verb, the second verb, which will be enjoy. If you say something like, did Miss Luyando enjoyed? That will be incorrect. That will be bad, okay? It's enjoyed her vacation. So how would you answer that? Yes, she did. Or you can always say, no, she didn't. Right? I hope she did, right? And I hope she does. Would be in the present or the future. So, no, she didn't. Or, no, she did. So, to review, we know that when you use the verb did or didn't, your verb has to stay in its infinitive form. Yes, she did. No, she didn't. Okay. That would be, now if you do something like the verb to swim, okay? Let's do it positive. Mrs. Luyando swam. Mrs. Luyando swam in the pool. Notice that she swam. The verb is to swim right here. So you don't have to do anything to it. Now, if you are going to establish that it's negative, you say Mrs. Luyando didn't swim in the pool because she was too cold to swim in the pool, right? Notice right here the verb did not change because you have didn't, right? Very good. What if you are asking a question, okay? So you say, did Mrs. Luyando swim in the pool? And the reason why you say swim, no swam, is because you have did, correct? And don't forget, when you are asking a question, to include the interrogation mark, okay? So how would you answer that? Well, yes, she did, or you can say, no, she didn't, okay? So with that in mind, let's do some activities right now, okay? We go to this one right here. Okay, so let's listen. The guests got or didn't get good service. The guests got or didn't get this good service, okay? Look at the pictures, then choose the correct answer. What does he look like? It looks like he got or didn't get good service. It looks like he didn't get, right? Let's go with that one. Next one right here. Let me put myself up here. The guest brought or didn't bring shampoo. The guest brought or didn't bring shampoo. I think they did, right? There's enough shampoo right here. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Look at this gentleman. He looks very happy, doesn't he? He didn't shave. Oh, he shaved this morning. It doesn't look like he shaved, right? So he didn't shave. Notice that you didn't have to do anything here because you have didn't, right? The second verb stays in its infinitive form. So the answer is he didn't shave. Wow, this looks like a mess. Housekeeping didn't clean. Or housekeeping cleaned the hotel room. It doesn't look like it's clean, right? So didn't clean. Notice that the verb clean here is in its infinitive form because didn't, it's present in this sentence. Okay, somebody's using the key to enter his room. The man lost his room key, or the man didn't lose his room key. Didn't, right? Because he has it right there. And notice that the verb is lose, to lose, is not changed, it's not conjugated because you have didn't present in this sentence, okay? Let's check our answers. Yes, we got them all correct. Very good. So now that we have reviewed a little bit about this, I would like you guys to all review this before we enter the irregular verbs, okay? But let's finish this one. Positive. She finished the book. She ate in a restaurant. He came to work, okay? Complete the table. They didn't work at night. So positive will be they worked at night, right? The negative here will be she finished the book. She didn't finish the book.